If you are a fresher, please listen carefully. This is really critical. I know when I rejected a particular resume. I know when the resume was not good. What are the projects that you have done? And where can I click to look at a project? Where is your portfolio? At what website can I see your project? Hello everyone and good day to all. Today we are going to talk about some resume mistakes that kill your data science job chances. If you are a fresher, please listen carefully. This is really critical. And I have taken over 2000 interviews in my past 10 years of experience. And I must have definitely looked at a few thousand resumes to have taken those interviews. And I know what I'm talking about. I know when I rejected a particular resume. I know when the resume was not good. And these are the common factors in most resumes that made me decide to reject that resume. Well, number one is filler content. Now, what do I mean when I say filler content? Well, photo, acknowledgement, profile, hobbies, those are things that are not adding to your resume. And frankly speaking, if there is an organization that looks at your photo and decides to give you a job, do you want to go to such an organization? Your profile is not something that's meaningful. It's very rare. The profile is for people who are very high in their positions, maybe CEOs, CXOs, CTOs, but not for a fresher. Hobbies is just useless junk content just to add more depth to the resume, but it does not add any information. People who would give me hobbies is something that I would not look at. It would not even come across my radar. Please remember that a person is just looking at a resume for maybe 6 to 20 seconds. Do you think all of these can be covered in 6 to 20 seconds? So another issue is a laundry list of tools. So whatever you know, you put it, whether that be HTML, whether that be Microsoft, soft skills, all of these are now useless. It's just assumed that most people know how to use Microsoft. It's assumed that most people understand HTML. It's assumed that most people will have soft skills. And in any case, those soft skills will be evaluated during the interview. Any skill that you have not demonstrated in a project is useless because it's just, again, not something that many people look at. Then what do people look at? Well, people look at proof. What are the projects that you have done? And where can I click to look at a project? Where is your portfolio? At what website can I see your project? How can I look at your projects? Is it working or not? Or is it just a copy paste? How can I be sure that you have actually implemented this project? People are looking for empirical proof. Proof beyond doubt that you have done this project and you know this XYZ skill. This is the third biggest mistake that people do. Then another issue is what I call this the wall of text. So basically, why is your resume 3 pages long? And where is the formatting in your resume? Have you used 5 different fonts? Have you used 10 different types of bullet points? Have you used 2x spacing? So this I call the wall of text. Why is your resume so long? Why is your resume not readable? If it is so complex in formatting, it becomes unreadable. Okay. The final thing that I would like to highlight is the one size fits all resume. For almost all companies, the same resume can work, but you have to understand that each company has a type. For example, a service-based company should have a different kind of a resume. You should highlight some other projects, whereas a product-based company, you should highlight some other projects. So this is what I mean by one size fits all resume. so this is what I mean by one size fits all resume. If you have any questions, please let us know and I'll try to answer them in the comments below.